Hey, it's Miss Baker. So it's Friday, and you're getting ready to take your math quiz on counting on to add. So I wanted to do a little review with you before you did that. So make sure you watch this first. Now, these problems have the same kind of words in them and the same kind of sentences, but different numbers. So it's a little different from the quiz, but kind of similar at the same time. So I'm going to go through, and then I have my picture up here so that way you can see me counting on with with my hands and my head when I'm doing it. But I'm going to read them, and that way you'll recognize the words when you see them too, hopefully. Okay. All right, here we go. Here's the first problem. There are four big cups and two small cups. How many cups are there in all? Okay. So you know you have four and you have two, and they want to know how many they have in all. So that means you have to add them all up. That's what that means in math. Okay. When you see in all. So I'm going to start with four in my head. I'm not starting with one because remember we're counting on. So I'm going to start with four, my big number. So put four in my head. Okay. And then I go up. How many more? Two more. Okay. So that's going to be 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what would my answer be? My answer would be 6. And my addition sentence would be my number sentence. Hold on one second. Let me get this so I can type in the box. There we go. Okay. So 4. It'll let me. Okay. Plus 2 equals how many? 6. Right. Okay. So here's the next problem. All right. So that's how you would do it. And that's how you can do it on the quiz also. And do it just like I did. Put the number in your head and count on to figure out what the answer is. Okay. There are 5 cats and 3 dogs. How many animals are there in all? Okay. So we know there's 5 cats, 3 dogs, and they want to know how many there are in all. So that means we have to add them all up. Okay. So we're going to start with 5. That's our big number. Put 5 in your head. Okay. All right. And don't start with 1, start with 5. Okay. And then keep counting. So you can go ahead and hold up 3 fingers if you want to, or you can just make sure you hold up 3 all together when you're counting. Okay. So 5. And then you go 6, 7, 8. So how many are there all together? There's 8. Okay. And I'm going to put my numbers into my number sentence. So that's 5. Oops. Uh-oh. Let me go back and fix it. Okay, I'm not trying to delete the line. I just want to put a number in there. Okay, so 5 plus 3, that's my 2 add-ins, the numbers I'm adding together, equals, what's my total? My total is 8. All right, that one's done. Okay, here's my next one. All right, so it says, there are 5 car stickers and 4 animal stickers. How many stickers are there in all? So my numbers are 5 and 4, and they want to know how many there are in all. Okay, so we're adding them up. And there's my plus sign, so I know I'm adding. Okay, and you start with your big number, which is 5. Okay, so put 5 in your head. All right, and then keep counting 4 more. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, and how many are there all in all? There are 9. Okay, so my number sentence would be, okay, let's fill this in. Okay, so here, my add-ins are 5, and my other add-in is 4. Okay, those are the 2 numbers I'm adding together, and I could switch it up. I could say 4 plus 5, either way, but we want to start with the bigger number if we can when we're counting on, so it makes it easier. So 5 plus 4 equals, how many did we say all together? We said 9. Yep, there it goes. So 9 is the total, and that's also the sum. Okay, both of those mean the answer to the addition problem. Okay. The next one says, there are 7 squares and 1 circle. How many shapes are there in all? So I'm going to do these last ones quick because I'm running out of time. So you have 7 in your head plus 1 more. So 7, 8. Okay. All right. And the last, I'm not going to fill that in, but the last one says Pete has 6 red balls and 1 green ball. How many balls does he have in all? So you say 6, and 1 more would be 7. That's it.